This is an MDF board of 10 centimeter diameter, and I'm going to paint a small dot mandala on this. It can either be used as a fridge magnet or as a tea coaster too. Let me start with dotting in the center in light blue. In the next circle I'll dot with white. Now in the next circle I'll dot with Prussian blue. I'll keep some light blue dots now. I'll keep some white dots now. I'll work the dots in white. I'll keep some Prussian blue dots. Now I'll work the dots with Prussian blue. I'll keep straight swipe in white. Now I'll keep two side swipes in light blue. I'm sure all of you love this small dot mandala. We will move on to the next one now. Now in the second dot mandala, I'm going to start in the center with sky blue. I'll keep some white dots now. I'll keep some light blue dots now. I'll keep two side swipes. I'll keep lumpy dot and then drag it to a swipe using light blue now. I'll drag these dots into swipes. In between any two light blue swipes here, I'm going to keep a sky blue swipe. I'm sure all of you loved this second mini dot mandala too. Let's move on to the third one now. In this third mini mandala, I'm going to start in the center with sky blue. I'll keep some white dots now. So I'll keep some cerulean blue dots. I'll keep two side swipes. Now I'll keep few straight swipes in cerulean blue. Now I'll keep two side swipes in white. Now I'll keep 2 side swipes in sky blue. I'll keep some white dots now. I'm sure all of you love this third mandala too.